Good morning. I'm excited that you've decided to join me today for yet another learning to listen strategy so you can help your child learn to use their cochlear implant technology to hear all the sounds around them, both environmental sounds as well as speech. Today's learning to listen strategy is a little bit more difficult, at least in my opinion, than other ones because essentially you're just doing pause time, where you pause and you wait in silence for your child to respond. I find this really hard because I really enjoy talking, but it's very important, and it's one of the ones where if you're going to use any strategy, use this one, because this one is one that will give your child that chance to kind of understand and process what you're saying before you run on with something else. And it's super important for everybody, but especially our young children learning to use their hearing technology. Today I have my farm friends. I have my cow and my pig and my horse and my other cow, my little brown cow. And essentially, whenever you're playing with your child, you don't have to do closed sets like this. You don't have to, but this is just what I do in therapy. I would give the child the options of the toys, put them in front, and then say one of them, pig. And then wait. And it feels like you're waiting for a while. And that's okay, because you're using pause time. All this time I've been talking, you would not be talking, but I just don't want to sit here in silence staring at the camera. But you would just simply say the item, pig, and then not talk. See how hard this is? You can always use this one with another strategy. You can use it with the auditory sandwich where you say pig and then show them the pig and then say it verbally again. But remember, using that pause time is just so important. It's one of the ones where you're going to want to practice that because it's just too easy to go pig, pig, not enough pause time. And it's okay to count in your head those Mississippis, like a good 5 Mississippis at least. So pig, 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi. See how this can be hard? But anyways, it's one of the best. It's one of the best learning to listen strategies, and it's one you can do all the time. Just have to learn to be patient. So anyways, have fun with your pause time, and I'll see you next time.